Hello everybody. I wanted to hop on here for Dawn. She was asking for some testimonials of Norwex products that we have used or used every day. And I wanted to show you one that I don't know if it gets talked about a lot, but it's one of the cloths that I seriously use as much as my optic scarf, of course the Enviro cloth, and my window cloth, and my stainless steel cloth. But one day I will have the the touch-free or the fingerprint-less stainless steel, but I don't have that right now. So I love that cloth too. But this one right here, let me show it to you. This one, it's backwards. Oh my gosh. But it is the fruit and veggie scrubber. Right now, during this quarantine, there's some videos of this guy that is saying, like, you know, separate your counter, and this side, sorry, my cloth's wet. This side is the dirty groceries, this side is for clean. And you know, you're supposed to spray them down now, wipe them off, take them out of the plastic bags, put them on the clean side. Well, they're actually telling you to put your fruits and veggies that you can in soapy hot water and to scrub them. So I was gonna tell you what I scrubbed with because I use this thing all the time, and I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna show you this apple from the store. Let's take this sticker off. Annoying stickers. Take that off. I'm gonna rinse it. I guess you could use, and maybe Dawn can comment, but I guess you could use like Norwex's dish soap since I'm using their cloth, which I do. Get it nice and hot, and I put a little bit of soap in and water, and now it's wet, but I'm just gonna show you. You see how it's so shiny? That wax is all on there. So there's a scrubby side and there's a soft side. I'm gonna use the scrubby side. I'm literally scrubbing it now, you know. And it is kind of annoying to have to do this. I mean, I bought oranges, avocados, apples today, and I'm literally scrubbing each one. So simply, we scrubbed it. I'm gonna dry it real quick. You see that? That literally took off like all of that nasty wax that they put on fruit. We eat it. And if you're anything like my husband, you literally just grab the apple, turn the sink on like that, wash it, turn it off. And people think that's clean. I ain't trusting that right now with all this going on. So anyway, I just wanted to tell you that it's super easy. My apple is super clean. I mean, it feels like it's clean. And if you don't believe me, you really need to try it. Come on over, use it. I will show you how different it looks and feels. So anyway, yes, I don't want to keep going, but this is definitely a keeper, especially during this time. I would highly recommend it. I don't even think it's that expensive. And of course, you wring it out, let it dry, and it's ready to use the next day. So thanks again. Love y'all. Hope this helps somebody.